guys, we're gonna have another movie review. This one's The Founder. Founder is based on the true story of the one who made McDonald's the 1,000 franchise it is right now. So it's based on a true story, but as Hollywood puts it, it's gonna be over exaggerated. Few cups of their tea that's not gonna be in the story, but they would add it for dramatic effects. So yeah, overall the trailer shows how a man persistently wants to make a fast food restaurant that serves 30 seconds na 30 minutes of serve time, because it's a fast foods and not a slow food serving. So that's all. I forgot. The star is Michael Keaton, also the Birdman in Spider-Man Homecoming. So watch out for him and his front of waving his hands, staring, being a cowboy, and being a stereotype cowboy in overall. So that's all for the trailer of The Founder, the one who made the McDonald's franchise, or what you call the owner of it. So I have nothing more to say for The Founder. I don't know if it's going to be a good movie because it's based on a true story, because it it has no explosion, guns, violence, sex, and drugs. I don't know if it's going to be good. So that's all. I give The Founder 2 out of 5.